Welcome to the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, District of Oregon's Response and Notice of Hearing regarding Relief from Stay web-based training. In this module, you will learn how to select a hearing date, how to locate the required forms for filing the response and notice of hearing, and the event to use for filing a response and notice of hearing. Please note that any documents used in this and other training modules are examples only. It is important that you review any real documents you will be filing in the live database for accuracy and completeness prior to uploading them to the case for filing. You may access the ECF online manuals by clicking the info link at the top of most ECF screens. Click on the category Answers, Responses, Objections, and then click on Response and Notice of Hearing regarding Relief from Stay. The online manuals give step-by-step and screen-by-screen instructions for each event. Hearing dates for a response and notice of hearing on a motion for relief from stay in Chapter 7 and 13 cases are obtained from the court's website. To obtain a hearing date, click the info link at the top of the screen. Select Hearings, and from the drop-down menu under the Available Hearing Dates category, select Chapter 7-13 Relief from Stay Hearing. Please note that relief from stay hearings are held by judges on a rotational basis and not by the case judge. Note that dates and times are subject to change. Check this site for any updates before selecting a hearing date. Select the first hearing date that is at least 6 calendar days after the response to the motion will be filed with the court. Hearings are held on Tuesdays and start at 1:30 p.m. unless otherwise noted. You must create your response on the LBF 720.80 that the movant filed, save it as a new PDF document, and then file it using this procedure. Be sure to also complete the Notice of Hearing, LBF 721, and merge it with your completed response, LBF 720.80. The Notice of Hearing must be the first page of your document. After obtaining your hearing date, time, and location, and preparing your response and notice of hearing regarding relief from stay, you are now ready to docket the response and notice of hearing. Click on the Bankruptcy heading. Select the category Answer Response. Select Reference an existing motion application. Enter the case number. Click Next. Under Available Events, select Response and Notice of Hearing regarding relief from stay. Click Next. The Select the Party screen displays. Select the party filer if listed. For this exercise, we are responding on behalf of the debtor. Click on the debtor's name and click Next. A case confirmation screen displays. Click Next. Reminder messages display. Be sure to comply with the reminders or your response may be stricken. Click Next. Enter the hearing information. Click on the calendar icon to select the date. Click on the clock icon and click on the hearing time. To select the location of the hearing, click on the down arrow and select Telephone Hearing. Click the box next to the appropriate motion for relief. Click Next. The Browse window displays. Click on Browse and locate the file Response and Notice of Hearing. Highlight an alternate click on the file name. Open the document to confirm the document is the correct one. After confirming the document is correct, close Adobe by clicking on the red X in the upper right corner. Click on Open, which places the file name in the Browse window. Click Next. A modified docket text screen displays. Read the docket text to confirm the information is correct. Select a docket text modifier from the drop-down list if appropriate. We will not select a modifier. Click Next. The docket text final text screen displays. Read the docket text to confirm the information is correct, you have redacted, and verify that you have selected the correct hearing date, time, and location. If any of the information is incorrect, click on the bankruptcy heading and start over. If, after accepting the docket text, you discover an error, you must contact the court before continuing. The court will instruct you on how to proceed. If the error is document-related, you may be instructed to refile the correct document. Other errors may be corrected by the court. Click Next. The Notice of Electronic Filing, or NEF, displays, which provides the document number, the docket text, and the parties receiving electronic notification of the filing. You may print the Notice of Electronic Filing now or anytime by accessing the docket report and clicking on the silver ball located on the docket report next to the document number. Thank you for participating in this web-based ECF training module. Please note the court phone numbers and the U.S. Bankruptcy Court, District of Oregon's website as shown on the screen for future reference. We encourage you to contact the court with any questions you may have.